If you would like to know how to make this, the best Lotus Biscoff Cheesecake, then continue to watch the video. And while you're there, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Hello and welcome back to Simon's Bacon Isolation Inspiration, where we don't take ourselves too seriously and we have jolly good old fun while we bake. Now, as you well know, the flour apocalypse is upon us. We cannot get flour absolutely anywhere. So today I'm making a cheesecake, as you well know. This requires no flour, no eggs, and it's super tasty and really easy to make. The ingredients you're going to need to make this Biscoff cheesecake are as follows. In this bowl we have got 300 grams of the Lotus biscuits. Now look, if a couple of these happen to fall into your mouth and you end up eating them, who cares? The next ingredient you're going to need is 125 grams of unsalted butter. In this bowl I've got 100 grams of icing sugar. In this bowl I have got 500 grams of full fat cheese, cream cheese. I've gone for Philadelphia, or you go for whatever you want. It's got to be full fat though, like me. In this bowl, well not this bowl, in this container I've got 300 ml of double cream. And lastly, in this bowl, I've got 250 grams of this stuff, Biscoff spread. You can get this from all your supermarkets. You can get it in crunchy or smooth. I've gone for the crunchy one, because why not? And don't worry if you missed any of that, I've got your peeps. It's all in the description down below. Now I know I said about eating the biscuits, but save some behind to make a nice fancy topping, and also save some of this stuff because we're going to make a nice little splatter across the top of ours. Beautiful. Right, party peeps, I'm about to tell you the equipment you're going to need to make this Mother Hubbard. First of all, you're going to need to get yourself an 8 or 9 inch baking tin, one with a flappy bottom. Get yourself a couple of bowls. Now one of these bad boys. A lot of you youngsters out there won't see one of these. This is a hand whisk. We don't do all that electric KitchenAid stuff, mixers. We use what we were given, our strength. And get a spatula. That's it. To start with, we need to create a biscuity base. So get your Lotus biscuits. Now you can use an electric blender for this, but I like to use my hands. Just get them and crush them up into your bowl. Now your biscuits are all sort of hand crumbled, get your hands in and just squeeze them some more. At the end of the day you want to get this fine, really fine. So crush it up with your hands, and then when you think you've got it right, this is not so extra, get a rolling pin and just bash the living bejeebus out of it. Now this is the consistency that you're looking for. It's like sand. It doesn't matter that there's a few big chunks here and there. It all tastes the same at the end of the day. Doing this with the rolling pin does take longer, but you know what? Builds your muscles up, gets you nice and strong. Now it's time to melt your butter. In a microwavable bowl, whop it straight in to your microwave, full power, 20-30 seconds until it's melted. There we go, butter's all melted. Mine took about a minute in the microwave. Everyone microwaves is different. Put it for 30 seconds, have a look. If it needs longer, put it on for longer. Now, with your butter, straight in to the biscuits. And get your spatula, just stir it all together until it's all stirred together. And that's what it should look like once the butter is all stirred into the biscuits. It's got more of a darker, like mud colour. Perfect. Now for the fun part. It's time to get all of this into this. Just give that a little wobble. Make sure it gets everywhere. Now get a spoon and you've got to flatten it down, compacting it into your tin so it's nice and smooth. Come and have a look. That is what you're looking for. It's really compact, really tight, really pressed in, nice and level, easy. I have just rinsed this bowl out just quickly, and I've popped my biscuity base in the fridge just to cool down while I make this. Now, get your Philadelphia and whop it straight in, or full fat cream cheese. Icing sugar, bosh, straight in. And the Lotus spread, get your hands in, get it in. Yucky. Now, to start with, get your spatula and just mix it all together. Now, when you get it to this stage, with your spatula, just get it in, stirring it, and get it slapping around the bowl. Do that for a couple of minutes until it's all incorporated. Pop that to the side a sec. Now I hope your arms at home are burning and really feeling it, and we're about to destroy them. We're gonna whip up some double cream by hand. Just get your cream into the other bowl, pop it in. Now, with your hand whisker, give it a jolly good old whisking until it's nice and thick. You may be whisking this by hand and you're thinking, cool, that's correct. That's the right consistency. Well, I'm here to tell you, peeps, no. If your arm's hurting, now's the time to get it going. So get in there again and keep going. Now this is the consistency that you're looking for. It's nice and thick and it's really stiff. Perfect. My arm. Now, with your spatula, it's time to get this cream into this mixture. Now you're probably thinking, cool, there can't be much more to do with your arms. Well, I'm here to tell you, you're wrong. Get your arm, now that it's burning, and get this all whisked in. Now, have a look at that. Doesn't that look lush? Now, get your finger in and always have a taste test. You want to make sure it's not like poisonous or anything. That's perfectly fine. Now it's time to get this lot into this lot. Now, with your spatula, get a nice dollop and push it into the edge. Now, the reason why I push it into the edges first is that's what helps it goes nice and smooth around the edge. Then, with whatever's left over in your bowl, plonk it in the middle and smooth it all over until it's nice and smooth. Now with a spoon, I'm just going to finish it off and get it nice and smooth. Now have a look at that. I don't think that looks too bad. Now you want to get this into the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight. It's quite late in the day, so I'm going to leave mine overnight. So I'll see you tomorrow. It is now the next day, and you can tell that because I have shaved my beard off. Not intentionally, accidentally. So anyway, it's time to get this out of the tin. Now, I'm hoping it comes out easy. I've got my tin of baked beans. And here we go. Wish me luck. Here we go. Come on, come on. You could serve it like this, which is perfectly acceptable, but me, being the lad that I am, I'm gonna decorate it. I'll show you how. What we're gonna do is use the leftover spread. So you want a good heaped tablespoon for this. Should be about enough. Get it in. Now, you wanna heat this in a microwave, full power. I'm going to chuck it on for 30 seconds, see how it goes. If yours needs longer, put it on for longer, but you want it to be a nice liquidy consistency. Mine took 50 seconds in the microwave, and as you can see, it's all runny. Now, I'm not going to tell you how to do this. It's all trial and error. This is the first time I'm going to do it. I think I'm just going to go for it and just smash it all over, see what happens. So I'm going to get a spoonful and just, don't matter if you get your worktop dirty, it all cleans up. Now we missed that last bit of footage, but all I've done is I've got a few of these biscuits and I've just cracked them over the top. Now, to finish off this absolutely beautiful cheesecake, just to let everyone know what it is, get a Lotus biscuit, pop it in the middle, and then put one on an angle like that. Look at that. Getting quite good at this, isn't I? Now it's time for the taste test. I've cut myself a little sliver, I've done that, look good. Here we go. Yeah, it's proper good. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video. If you want to see more of this handsome face, click here to subscribe. And while you're at it, click here to see all my other videos. Thank you very much. I really wanted to add more cheese to that. I mean, it's a cheesecake. I was going to perhaps create some cheddar. I mean, what does it even call it a cheesecake? It's only got cream cheese in it, a bit of mozzarella on it. It'd be beautiful.